The French army is closely monitoring the development of the MALE drone, specifically the Aarok, designed by Turgis Gaillard. This drone gained significant attention when it was introduced at the 2023 Paris Air and Space Show at Le Bourget, where it was presented as one of the innovative solutions for future military applications. The project immediately caught the interest of the French Air and Space Force, as well as General Stéphane Mille, who was then the Chief of Staff of the French Air Force. He expressed curiosity about the drone's capabilities and even offered to fund its trials if the necessary resources were found. Since its debut, Aarok has drawn attention not only from French military forces but also from foreign manufacturers. In particular, a memorandum of understanding was signed between Turgis Gaillard and the Ukrainian company Antonov, aimed at developing a lighter and more consumable version of the drone. Additionally, the project piqued the interest of France's Minister of Defense, Sébastien Lecornu, who called it very promising. He emphasized the importance of including Aarok in the 2024 to 2030 military programming and noted that the results achieved in collaboration with Turgis Gaillard and the Ministry of Armed Forces demonstrated a high level of quality. One of the distinctive features of Aarok is its potential use as its certifiable but non-certified drone, which would reduce the regulatory requirements for certification. This is significant, as it makes it possible to develop aircraft with fewer constraints, speeding up the introduction of new technologies in the military. The French army has also expressed interest in Aarok, particularly because the drone is well suited for surveillance and intervention missions. General Bruno Baritz, head of the Future Combat Command, after visiting Turgis Gaillard's facilities, stated that the Aarok could serve as a simple, rugged, and affordable solution for the Army's needs. Its versatile design makes it a valuable asset for land forces. From a technical perspective, the Aarok weighs 5.5 tons and is equipped with a 1,200 horsepower turboprop engine, giving it an endurance of over 24 hours. The drone is fitted with a large optronic sensor, an electromagnetic payload, and a multimode radar. It can carry up to 1.5 tons of munitions and can be deployed in rough, uneven terrain, a crucial advantage for the French army. The cost of the drone is estimated between 5 and 10 million euros, and it is designed without any American components, making it ITAR free from U.S. international traffic and arms regulations. At present, the question of whether the French army will purchase the Aarok remains open. During debates on the 2025 defense budget, Minister Lecornu mentioned the possibility of using savings from delays in the European MALE drone project, Eurodrone, to finance the acquisition of drones like Aarok, which could accelerate the droneification of the French military. While a decision has not yet been made, there is a real possibility that the French army will consider acquiring this drone in the future.